Hi, and welcome to How a Bill Becomes Law. First step, the bill is introduced in either the House or Senate and is assigned to a committee in its particular category. The bill is then placed in a subcommittee where the bill will be debated and marked up. The committee can also vote to report out on the bill to describe specific portions of the bill. The bill is then brought to a Rules Committee with a closed rule that can set time limits and restrict amendments for bills. The committee also has an open rule which permits amendments and a restrictive rule which permits some amendments. Fourth step, once the bill makes it through the Rules Committee, it is sent to the floor by the Senate or House where it is voted on, and in the Senate, senators can participate in the filibuster, which is where they can continuously talk during the bill's floor debate in order to prevent the bill's passing. It can only be ended by a cloture rule or a vote by 3/5 of the Senate, which isn't very common, or once a speaker has finished speaking. In the House, however, there are no filibusters allowed, and strict rules regarding the amount of time one can speak on a bill. The next step is a vote by Congress with a majority of votes needed to pass. If the bill passes, it must go through the same process in the opposite chamber with the sponsor. If the bill passes one house and fails the other, it must start over. The final step is the presidential action, where the president can sign the bill into law or he can veto it and return it to Congress. Congress can override the president's action with a 2/3 vote, and that's how a bill becomes law.